this in mind, like it's made just for me. Bear this in mind. Wait lang, para mas para mas lively. Para may audience impact tayo. Pwede ganun.
Alright.
Alright! Nakinig ka. Huwag kayo mapagod ha. That's very good. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
Pag napagod na kayo, pwede ko ibigin.
Huwag kayo mapagod. We can do this. Virginia is a place for lovers. Parang 5 na lang sila. Parang 5 na lang kayo, guys. Ulitin natin. Ganyan. Sige, wait lang. Para hindi sila mapagod.
Gusto nga daw nila manood. Baka naman ginigilaw na sila. Gusto nila mapanood yung gagawin natin. Ano yan?
Virginia is for lovers.
Virginia is for lovers. And also, audience participation here is really good, I heard.
Sir, why is it Virginia for lovers?
Huwag nang mahaba. Explain yun. Mahirap magsalita.
Sige, kanta na tayo. Okay. Ready?
Kasama ang tulong po ninyo. Gaganda yung kanta namin. Put your hands together. And it's in mind that it's made just for me. Bear this in mind, was meant to be. Joining up to dance with freckles on your cheeks. All makes sense to me. Alright!
Though you never love the rails by your eyes and your smile and love, your stomach or your thighs, the dimples in your neck at the bottom of your spine. I love them endlessly. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth. But if I do, it's you. Oh, it's you. They ask who I'm in love with you. And all these little things. You can't go to bed without a cup of tea. And maybe that's the reason why you talk in your sleep. And all these conversations are the secrets that I keep. Though it makes no sense to me. 5, 6, wait. All makes sense to me.
I know you've never loved the sound of your voice or the take. You never want to know how much you weigh. You still have to squeeze into your jeans, but you're perfect to me.
I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth.
But if I do, it's you. Oh, it's you.
Baby, I'm in love with you.
And all these little things.
Love yourself out as much as I love you.
I love you.
You'll never treat yourself like I don't want you to.
But I want you to.
I let you know I'm here for you. Baby, you love yourself like I love you. Oh. Sandali lang, parang bumababa na yung mic.
Nahulog na siya. Ano ba yun?
Sandali lang. Ang daming tayo.
Ano ba yan?
Ano na ito?
Ano ba yan? Nakita naman kami, no? Sa kamalian namin.
Okay, ito na. Love you. Oh. Basta na. I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth.
But if I do, it's you. Oh, it's you.
They
Add up to I'm in love with you. And all these little things.
I won't let these little things slip out of my mouth.
But if I do,
It's you.
oh, it's you. place for supportive people. Thank you so much. Appreciate it so much. So palakpakan niyo lang po ang inyong sarili.
Ako sinuportahan nila tayo. Kaya meron pa po kami isang kanta para sa inyo. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo? Wala pong inaanto? Ramis? Ito po. Para po sa lahat ng in love. In love?
Yes, yes, madaming in love dito. Alam mo, maraming forever dito siya. Siyan.
Kinanta mo ba yung Mr. Right mo?
Oh, syempre, ang daming Mr. Right dito.
Para kanina yung Mr. Right there.
Ano, sa kanila.
Parang yan, ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right?
Ikaw nga ba, chorba of my life?
Oh my gosh.
Yes, alright.
Ikaw nga ba si Mr. Right? Without a doubt, I'll give you.
Oo, ito yun.
Mali.
Alam
Sige
niyo
na,
po,
sige na.
joke po yun ni Sian.
Sige na.
Pero hindi po kayo natawa. Ako din, nung sinabi niya yun, hindi siya masyadong funny.
Sige po.
Oo, no? Siya naman si Mr. Right eh. Tsaka gwapo naman siya.
Wow.
Papawisan ko na ng konti.
Ayan, pakis nga dyan. Sige po, ito po. Para sa inyo po ito.
Yeah, para to sa inyo lahat to. So, if you know the song, alam niyo ba ang Thinking Out Loud?
Guys, please sing muna.
I think ano nila to, song nila to. Is this your theme song? Yeah! Kung alam niyo to, sabayan niyo po kami. Thank you so much. Wala pa mga kamay?
When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off of your feet. Put your mouth so remember the taste of my love. Hold your eyes still smiling from your cheeks.
Darling, I've been loving you till we're 70. Uy, nag-under ng flash ng light. We appreciate it. Baby, my heart is simple as heart at 23. Oh my gosh, ano ba? I'm thinking about, oh my gosh, ang dami! Oh, sorry. Oh my gosh, it's so good! This song.
Baby, just
Asa na ba? Me, I'm falling in love
with you every single day.
and I just wanna tell you I am.
Baby, now
Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Place your hand on my beating heart. I'm thinking out loud, and maybe we could find love right where we are.
when your hair's all gone and I'll never face, and the clouds will remember my name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way, I know you still love me the same.
'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smile stirs in my mind and memory. I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Baby, it's all part of
isa. Sa lahat ng tala, ikaw ay iba. Yakap mo ang hanap sa tuwina, at aking napagkanto na tayo'y pinagtagpo ng panahon.
Na tayo'y pinagtagpo ng panahon. Pinagtagpo ng panahon.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Sandali. May sinabi.
Ano yun? May sa daw, talo. Sabi nila may sa daw, may sa.
Unsa?
May sa.
Ha?
May kasalanan ka. May sa kasi isa.
May
Sa
sinabi.
Bisaya, ang may sa, may kasalanan ka.
Ay, Jude. Ano po yung sabi?
Yes!
Isa lang! First time natin sa Virginia.
Yes!
Grabe naman ang halok. Ang lalim naman nun. Parang ano mangyayari.
Halok!
Parang may mangyayari masama sa stage. Halok.
Usang halok!
May sa halok.
Sige. Okay lang ba?
O sige, bilang na lang kayo. Siyempre, para po sa inyo, nandito, appreciate po namin yung pagsindi nyo ng flashlight ng cellphone nyo. 5% din yan ng battery. So, sobrang na-touch po talaga kami na nag-on kayo ng flashlight.
Okay lang po ba? Naku.
Sige. Oo, sige. Gusto ko, sige.
Naku. Okay lang, promise.
Oh, chicks lang.
Chicks lang?
Wala namang mangyayari sa atin.
Huwag bilangan naman po kami, okay lang po ba?
Okay na, no?
Maraming salamat po.
Palakpakan naman natin si Sian! Tinagalog niya talaga yung thinking out loud para sa ating the Filipino here in Virginia where lovers are here. Tama ba? It's a place for lovers in any kind of sex. So female, male, kanina si ate or si kuya. Di ba?
O, ito na, Kim. Tawagin na natin sila.
Yeah, syempre tawagin na natin ang ating kasama for tonight.
Meron silang hinanda para sa inyo.
And congratulate natin si Tita Lerma and Tito Cesar. 39 years na sila.
Tita Lermy, Tita Cesar, maraming salamat
And
birthday.
Tita Malu and Tita Dog. Congratulations.
Yes, maraming salamat.
And to everyone here na may forever, congratulations.
Maraming salamat po to all our producers. Maraming salamat.
Yes, ating mga producers, thank you so much.
Hey, let's call in.
Let's call in! Liz
Liz
Ken!